Hello YouTube! In this video I will show you how to change air filter on Fiat Tipo 1.4 liter gasoline engine. You will need small socket set for this job. On airbox there are 6 screws with 7mm hex head. 3 we see on the top, but the bottom ones are a bit hidden under filter housing. We need to unscrew all 6 so we can separate filter housing and change the filter. Now remove old filter element. We see that it is a bit dirty, so makes sense to replace it with new one. Insert new filter element into the housing. Push around the rubber edge so filter will sit properly like it should. Join airbox halves back together. When you are sure that it sits correctly, tighten all 6 screws, but not too much, as housing is plastic and we can damage filter housing easily. That's it! Your car has now fresh air filter. Thanks for watching.